Hello. Samsung, yes, I did call you. Where is my phone? Please hurry up. Thank you. Finally, it's coming.
Mustafa, here's the delivery for you.
I died. You killed me. Finally! It's here! I've waited for so long to get my hands on this.
Mustafa, what's happened to your arm?
But I had to sell it to buy this phone.
What about the next one?
Well, maybe I can sell something else. Hello everyone, welcome back. After a while, actually, it's been a very long time since I did my last unboxing video. And I'm back after almost 3 years. That's some busy time recently. Thank you for joining and thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to subscribe if you haven't done that already, and also make sure you hit the like button if you do like this video. Today we are unboxing the brand new Galaxy Z Fold 2 from Samsung. So, without any further delays, let's go right into it. Okay, so let's go ahead and unbox this bad boy. Now, for the last 2 weeks or so, look at this. Look at this. The Z. For the last 2 weeks, I've been using the Note 20 Ultra, and I've actually posted about it also, saying that I was having issues with battery. But you know, sometimes it could be issues with relation to your usage. So it might depend on your usage. Sometimes, you know, you might end up having some juice at the end of the day. 10%, 20%, 30%. This has a high refresh rate screen, so it could be that reason. But this big boy, wow, the packaging is sort of similar to the first one, I can tell, in terms of the size, but let's see. Okay, so we need to open it up from this side again. One more. Look at this. Alright, unfolding the future of mobile phones. Wow, look at that. Change the shape of the future. Look at this. Not sure if this is actually mirrored, but it says, change the shape of the future, introducing Galaxy Z Fold 2 5G. Reimagine the possibilities of the smartphone. Okay. Big words there, guys. This feels very light. I'm not sure if they've actually put anything in it. Now, I did have a chat to Samsung representatives about this version, because it doesn't actually come. So the original Samsung Z Fold 1 came with a cover and a screen protector. This one, on the other hand, did not come with anything. But oh boy, look at this. Look at this. Look at how thin this thing is. Okay, care instructions. Right, we'll put this just aside for a second, over here. And we'll open, let's see what else is here. Galaxy Z Premier Service. Your Galaxy foldable device comes with a specialized customer care service designed to deliver the best possible product experience. Galaxy Z Concierge, look at this. It looks like they have a special service. Special treatment for a special phone. Of course, it is not a cheap phone. It doesn't mean that you go and buy this phone. It is actually an expensive phone. I got it at a discounted price, but it is an expensive phone. If you buy it retail, or if you pay retail price. This is just a charging cable. Some headphones. I heard the US version doesn't actually come with a headphone. This comes with some AKG USB Type-C headphones. Yeah, so I had a chat to Samsung about why they didn't really have an answer, about why this version doesn't come with any cover. As you can see, that's pretty much it. We've got this box which has nothing in it. Yep, nothing, empty. I had a chat to Samsung. They don't have a cover, and they don't have, it does come with a screen protector, but they don't have the wireless earbuds unless you again pay the full price and get it ordered, have it ordered before launch day, and then you would get some free wireless live buds. This is a charger. I'm not sure how many watts is it, but it is a 5-volt charger. 5 volt, not sure if you can see this. Yeah, it's too tiny, but anyway, it says made in Vietnam. All right, so putting this box away. Look at this thing. It's a Mystic bronze color. It looks really nice. In comparison to this, they look very similar. Look at this with the Note 20. They look very, very similar. They have the same finish. The camera module on the Note is obviously bigger. The Note camera is a better camera. The Note 20 Ultra has a better camera. So let's go ahead and open this. Listen to this. All right, here we go. Put it aside. Guys, this thing looks amazing. Look at this. Look at how thin this thing is. Let me just put it in comparison to the Note. The Note 20 Ultra is a little bit thicker, as you can see. Just a little bit, not much. All right, let's go ahead and turn this bad boy on. Interesting. So the fingerprint sensor is now also the power button. That wasn't the case with the first one. It was actually a different button, but now it's a 2-in-1, which is actually a smart idea. Okay, so this is the 256 GB version. It's the Mystic Bronze, which is the brand new color by Samsung. Again, putting it in comparison with the Note 20 Ultra. As you can see, they are pretty much similar. Yeah, look at this. Brushed aluminum. All right, so go ahead, accept all. Do I have a choice? Not really. You know what I've also noticed? You see the camera cutout just right over here? You can actually see the screen protector, which according to Samsung, you shouldn't really be removing. That's what people did in the first one, and they stuffed it up. But you shouldn't really remove it now. Yeah, but it's visible. You can see it around the camera cutout. I am going to skip everything here. Don't copy. Just want to try and skip all this. All right. Beautiful. There you have it. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2. Whew. A very long name. Obviously, first thing that you're going to notice is the 120 Hertz refresh rate. Okay, which is the same thing that I have on the Note 20 Ultra. So we've got the triple camera module again, which we probably didn't have a look at. It is significantly smaller than the one on the Note. Let me put them both in comparison for you. See how big the module is on the Note 20 Ultra. Beautiful. So I'm going to go ahead and start using it. This will be my main phone. I have used the Fold, the first generation, and it was a pretty awesome phone to use, especially with productivity and multitasking, but I am going to give this one also a chance. The hinge is actually pretty good on this one. Definitely way different than the first one. Now, when you first try to actually fold the phone, you feel like the phone is fighting back, which is like a sort of a weird feeling. You feel like you're actually forcing it. Feels like you're doing something wrong, but it's just the hinge. It's the way it's been designed. It has been designed to actually pause on any angle. So look, you can have it pausing on this angle, this angle, this angle, pretty much everywhere. And look at this. Look at this. Obviously, it is a big downgrade from the. Look at this. It's a big downgrade from Note 20, but boy, it is way bigger than the original Galaxy Fold 1. Beautiful. So I'm going to go ahead now and start using this one. So it will be my main phone for a while. I'll get back to you with any more news about it. And that is pretty much it. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and I look forward to seeing you again in the near future. Please do not forget to hit the subscribe button, and if you like this video, do let me know if you have any questions or you want me to test anything in particular in this phone. Please do leave it in the comments. Let me know, and I will see you again very, very shortly. Thank you very much, and have a great day. Goodbye.